Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to show 3-button navigation on Redmi 13c device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Well, here you should know that I'm using gesture navigation on my device. And then how to show 3-button navigation. Okay, just open settings menu on your device. And then here please scroll down. And then click on home screen menu. Well, after that press system navigation option. And then you can select buttons. Well, right now you can see that the 3-button navigation is successfully appear at the bottom. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to show 3-button navigation on Redmi 13c device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.